All Indian sir, my brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
This international and national news is brought to you by Pushta of Grade 9 Jasper. International news. Nigerian army says that dozens killed after the airstrikes accidentally hits village. National news. PM Modi congratulates ZPM on winning Mizoram Assembly elections. Assures all positive support. Thank you. Have a nice day. To everyone, today's State and Sport News is brought to you by Mitra from Grade 9 Jasper. State News. Telangana Assembly Election CLP meeting at underway. Revant Reddy like to emerge as a CM at the choice. Sports News. Italy and Spain meet at Euro in 2024 at the group stage. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Sharath from Grade 9 Jasper. Weather report. Minimum temperature 30 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 12 kilometers per hour, humidity 18%. Thank you.
Today's thought is brought to you by P. Charishma Reddy of Grade 9 Jasper. Thought. The pain you feel today is the strength you will feel tomorrow. Once again I repeat it. The pain you feel today is the strength tomorrow you will feel. Thank you.
And today's word is brought to you by Seekotha of Grade 9 Jasper. Today's word auspicious. It means promising to bring good fortune. I repeat again. Fortune. Auspicious. It means promising to bring good fortune. Friends, please spell after me. Auspicious. 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 Thank you. Hey everyone, this is Abhinav from Grade 9 Jasper. Today GK questions for grade 6 to 9. Question for grade 6. What is a group of crows called? I repeat my question. What is a group of crows called? Yes, you are correct. And the answer is mother of crows. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. How many dots appear on a pair of dice? I repeat my question. How many dots appear on a pair of dice? No, that is wrong answer, and the answer is 42 dots. Question for grade 8. What is the world's second highest peak? I repeat my question. What is the world's second highest peak? No, you are wrong, and the answer is K2 or Godwin Austen. Question for K2 for grade 9. What do we call Brahmaputra river in Tibet? I repeat my question. What do we call Brahmaputra river in Tibet? And the answer is Sangpo. Open questions. Who is the last Viceroy of India? Yes, you are correct, and the answer is Lord Mountbatten. What is the third costliest diamond in the world?
Thank you. Next month, question is brought to you by Abhinav from grade 1 college. GK question. Question first grade 1. How many alphabets are there in English? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question first grade 2. Who is the father of our nation? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question first grade 3. Who designed India's national flag? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Pingali Venkaya. Question from grade 4. What is the full form of SBI? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question from grade 5. How many bones are there? Human body. Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate